Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor and this is just for fun. Let's start with Nasdaq. This is the daily chart on Nasdaq, and we have a nice bull run here. We have a high, a low, a higher high, and probably we are building a higher low right now. We have this trend line, weekly trend line, and we are trying to get above this trend line, but all the time we get back. So yeah, once we get above there, then but you never know when we break above there. So right now we are pulling back, and it wouldn't be a matter if we pull back all the way to the 20-day EMA, which is under 16,200. But in this bull run we have not even pulled back to that level. So let's see if we do that. But if we do, then that provides a nice buying opportunity again. Anyway, right now for me it's like buying the dips and selling somewhere above. That's a good strategy. So that's Nasdaq, and going over to Sp500. That's the daily chart on the Sp500. Similar situation. We have a low, we have a higher high. Even though I see it a little bit struggling to build up this higher high, but until we have a lower low and a lower high, I'm not worried about this at all. Maybe we are trying to pull back to the 20-day EMA, and that could also be a good buying opportunity. We will see. Dow Jones, let's go over to Dow Jones, daily chart on Dow Jones. And yeah, on Dow Jones we had this high, we had this higher low, we had actually a lower high, and now we have a lower low. So and we touched the 50-day EMA. We fell below the 20-day EMA. We touched the 50-day EMA. We might spend some time here in this area. In fact, right now we are above my neckline here, or a line of support here. We bounce back above there. So as long as we are above there, we close above there, or we don't fall below, we don't close below the 50-day EMA, I'm actually not worried about Dow Jones. Maybe this could be a good buying opportunity with a tight stop loss below the 50-day EMA. Let's go over to Germany, German index. Daily chart on the German index, and we came back all the way to the 20-day EMA, even dip below it. But maybe this will hold. Maybe this provides a good buying opportunity. We will see how this daily candle closes. If we close below there, then probably we are going to get to the 50-day EMA. But what I think is that we are going to close above this line. This is supposed to be right now a line of support. So let's see how this daily candle closes. Japan, the Japanese index Nikkei, daily chart on Nikkei, the Japanese index. And then we are trying to spend some time above the 20-day EMA. As long as we are above there, no problem. We don't have to worry about it, but we are getting very slow in this index. It could even be a double top formation, but we did not fall down to the neckline. So unless we fall below this area, then this should be the neckline of this double top, then I'm not worried about the bullish formation here, or buying the dips strategy. Good. So that's Japan. Let's go over to Russell. Daily chart on Russell is sort of getting weak, because we came down to the even deep below the 50-day EMA. We are below the 20-day EMA. We are in the 50-day EMA, and let's see how this daily candle closes. I hope we will get back above this trend line, this falling